Hey, if you've ever wanted to stream on YouTube, this is for you. In the next few minutes, we're going to walk through the exact steps to go live using a super powerful and totally free tool called OBS. Let's get right into it.
Does this sound familiar? You see all these top YouTubers and gamers with these slick, professional-looking streams, and you think, man, that must be impossible. Well, it's really not. The gap between wanting to stream and actually doing it, it's way smaller than you think.
And that's our promise to you right now. Forget those long, complicated tutorials. We're cutting right through the noise to give you just the essential steps to get you from zero to live in literally just a few minutes.
So, what is this magic tool we're going to be using? It's called OBS, and trust me, it's about to become your new best friend for creating content.
So yeah, OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software, but honestly, the most important word there is free. This thing gives you professional-level control over your stream without costing you a single dime, which is a huge reason it's become the go-to for pretty much everyone. Just think of OBS as your own personal TV production studio, right on your computer. Instead of just, pointing a camera, you can mix together all sorts of things. Share your screen for a tutorial, layer in your webcam, add cool graphics, and even switch between different layouts. They call them scenes with a single click.
All right, let's roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty. Before we can connect everything, we got to lay the groundwork. This just involves two really simple tasks: getting your YouTube channel ready and installing OBS.
First things first, head over to your YouTube Studio. You're basically creating a landing spot for your stream. Click Create, then Go Live. Fill in your details like the title and description, and hey, here's a huge pro tip. Set the visibility to unlisted for your first few tests. This lets you practice without broadcasting to the whole world.
Next up, installing the software itself. This is as straightforward as it gets, I promise. Just go to the official OBS website, that's obsproject.com, grab the installer for your system, and just click through the setup. It's super quick and totally painless.
Okay, now for what is probably the most important step of all, making OBS and YouTube actually talk to each other. Think of it like a crucial handshake, introducing them so they can work together. This connection is made with something called a stream key. And listen, this is so important. You have to treat this key like it's the password to your entire channel. If anyone else gets it, they can stream directly to your audience. So for real, keep it secret, keep it safe.
The process here is actually really easy. Back in your YouTube Studio Live dashboard, you'll see an option to copy your stream key. Go ahead and grab it. Then just pop over to OBS, open up the settings, click on the Stream tab, pick YouTube from the list, and paste that key right in there. Click OK, and that's it. They're connected. With the techie connection made, it's time for the really fun part, designing what your audience is actually going to see. So, welcome to your new control room.
The two most important ideas to get in OBS are scenes and sources. A scene is like a complete screen layout. You might have one for your intro, another for your gameplay, and maybe one for a be right back screen. The sources are the individual ingredients inside that scene, like your webcam video, your mic audio, or your screen share.
To add your gear, you just click that little plus icon under the Sources box. Choose Video Capture Device to add your webcam, then Audio Input Capture for your microphone, and Display Capture to share your screen. You can literally just drag and resize them kind of like you would in Photoshop. It's super intuitive. Now, settings can look pretty intimidating, but let's just keep it simple. For beginners, sticking to a 720p resolution at 30 frames per second is a fantastic, super reliable place to start. And a bitrate of 2500 kbps is a great sweet spot for quality that won't crush most internet connections. You can always tweak these later, but this will get you a smooth stream right out of the box.
Okay, you've done the setup, you've designed your layout. It's time. Let's run through the final checks before you hit that big Go Live button. Remember that unlisted stream we set up earlier? Now is the perfect time to use it. Do a quick test run. Is your video looking sharp? Is your audio clear and synced up with your mouth? Close any apps you don't need. That'll free up your computer's resources, and if you can, plug directly into your router with an Ethernet cable. It's just way more stable. And hey, if you hit a snag, don't panic. It happens to everyone. It's almost always one of these three common little issues. A black screen? That usually just means you haven't selected the right monitor to capture. No sound? Double check that OBS is actually listening to the right microphone. And if your stream is lagging, just pop back into the settings and nudge that bitrate or resolution down a little bit. And here we are, the final 2 clicks. It's this simple. First, in OBS, you hit Start Streaming. That sends your video feed over to YouTube. Then you just switch over to your YouTube Studio dashboard where you'll see a nice preview. Once you're happy, you click that final Go Live button, and boom, you are officially live to the world.
So that's it. You have the tools. You have the knowledge. You are completely ready to broadcast your passion, your skills, your ideas, whatever it is you want to share. The only question left is, what are you going to create first?